All right, find the stationary point for the following function over the interval 0 to pi. So the first thing we want to do to find the stationary points is find out where a horizontal tangent line can be drawn on a graph. So we'll need the derivative of this function. Y prime equals negative 2/3 derivative of sine cosine. This is a chain law question. So we find the derivative of the main function, which is cos of 3x, and the derivative of the secondary function is 3. Those of you that need to use parts to do it, you can do that, okay? And we have a difference of 1x, so the derivative of minus 1x is minus 1. So the stationary point occurs where the derivative is 0. So let's simplify this, and we get negative 6/3 cosine of 3x minus 1. All right, let's isolate the trigonometric function cos of 3x, and we will get 1 equals negative 2 cos of 3x. Now, divide both sides by negative 2, and we have the cosine of 3 times some angle is negative 1/2. So where in the unit circle is cosine negative 1/2? Well, you remember these triple angle questions from 4DS math. The fact that it says 3x here means that at 3 times some angle, cosine, which is x, is negative 1/2. So we said last year that one way to algebraically do this is by redefining the variable. Let u equal 3x. So if we let u equal 3x, we get negative 1/2 equals cos of u. At what angle u is cosine negative 1/2? On the unit circle, that occurs at 2 pi over 3 in quadrant 2, and as well as at 4 pi over 3 in quadrant 3. But because of that 3, remember from last year, you'll need to go around the unit circle 3 times, because going around it 3 times, when I eventually have to divide by 3, it's actually only going around once. So 2 pi more than 2/3 pi, 6/3 plus 2/3 is 8 pi over 3. 2/3 more than 4/3 is 6 pi over 3. Oops, sorry. 6/3 more than 4/3 is 10 pi over 3. I have now gone around twice. Go around one more time. 2 pi more than 8/3 pi is 14 pi over 3. And 2 pi more than 10/3 is 16 pi over 3. But we're not looking to solve for u. We're looking to solve for theta, or for x in this case. So since 3x is equal to u, x, what angle x do those values occur at? So we'll need to divide the left-hand side by 3 and the right-hand side by 3. So x equals 2 pi over 9, 4 pi over 9, etc. Now I'm going to write all of these up, but at this point you might want to refer to the domain, the search area that the question was asking for. Okay. So notice that all those values are actually between 0 and 2 pi. But they only wanted the solutions that occur, looking back to the original questions, between 0 and pi. So between 0 and pi. So x equals 2 pi over 9 is between 0 and pi. 4 pi over 9 and 8 pi over 9. The rest are larger than pi.